Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Melbourne Museum stands as a vibrant cultural landmark and Australia's largest museum, located in the historically rich Carlton Gardens precinct beside the UNESCO World Heritage listed Royal Exhibition Building. As a gateway to Victoria's diverse natural and cultural heritage, Melbourne Museum offers immersive experiences across history, science, Indigenous culture, and contemporary exhibitions. Whether you're a local, tourist, or history enthusiast, this detailed guide covers Melbourne Museum visiting hours, ticket information, accessibility, major exhibitions, and practical tips to ensure a rewarding visit. History and cultural significance. Melbourne Museum was originally established in 1854 during the Gold Rush era, reflecting the city's rapid growth and evolving identity. The first public displays were housed in the Government Assay Office, and by 1858, under Professor Frederick McCoy's directorship, the museum's collections grew to encompass natural history, cultural artifacts, and scientific curiosities. The museum eventually shared its city block with the State Library and National Gallery, solidifying its role as a major civic institution. In 2000, the museum relocated to a purpose-built, architecturally striking facility designed by Denton Corker Marshall. This move marked a new era, positioning the museum as a leader in research, education, and public engagement. The site, adjacent to the Royal Exhibition Building, enhances the museum's significance as part of Melbourne's cultural and historical fabric. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visiting hours and ticket information. Opening hours, Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Closed Mondays except public holidays, Christmas Day, and Good Friday. Special events may operate outside these hours. Tickets. General admission is free for permanent galleries. Special exhibitions and IMAX screenings require paid tickets. Discounted rates for seniors, students, and children. Family passes and group discounts available. Tickets can be purchased online or at the entrance. Guided tour. Daily tour are available. Booking in advance is recommended. Museums Victoria. Photography. Permitted in most areas, no flash or tripods unless stated. Accessibility. Fully wheelchair accessible with lifts, accessible restrooms, and sensory-friendly resources. Please do watch our other Melbourne Museum playlist. Location and getting there. Address: 11 Nicholson Street, Carlton, Vic, public transport. Tram, routes 86 and 96 to Nicholson and Gertrude Streets. Train, Parliament Station City Loop, 10-minute walk. Bicycle, racks provided at entrance. Parking, on-site parking available beneath the museum. Entry via Rathdown or Nicholson ST. Visitor facilities and amenities. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. Dining, Mercury Restaurant with views of Royal Exhibition Building, on-site cafes, and nearby Ligon Street for Italian cuisine. The Crazy Tourist. Museum Shop. Educational toys, books, and First Peoples themed products are available in the main foyer and online museum shop. Family-friendly features. The Pauline Gandel Children's Gallery for ages 0 to 5 offers interactive play and learning experiences. Melbourne Point. Accessibility features, full wheelchair access, accessible toilets, and companion card acceptance. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.